Welcome, friends, to a treasure trove of knowledge. Here, one can unravel the mysteries of the motorized world, the intricate mechanisms that power our vehicles, the engineering marvels that propel us into the future. If you have a passion for the open road, a thirst for vehicular knowledge, or a craving for adventurous driving, then this is the place for you. Remember to subscribe and share, and stick around to the end of the video for an exciting free gift. Today, we delve into the heart of your vehicle, the drive system. It's the lifeblood of your machine, the power that pushes or pulls you along the road. Understanding this system can truly enrich your driving experience. Starting with front-wheel drive, or FWD, this system powers the front wheels of your vehicle. This setup is common in many passenger cars due to its compact design and fuel efficiency. The vehicle's weight is centered over the driven wheels, which can improve traction in certain conditions. Then we have rear-wheel drive, or RWD. This system powers the rear wheels of your vehicle. It's a favorite of performance and luxury vehicle enthusiasts due to its superior handling and balance. Next, there's all-wheel drive, or AWD. This system provides power to all four wheels of the vehicle. It's a popular choice for those who encounter various road conditions and need that extra bit of traction. Subaru, for example, receives high praise for its effective AWD system. Four-wheel drive, or 4WD, is another system that powers all four wheels. But unlike AWD, 4WD can be turned on and off. It has two modes: four-wheel high for slippery conditions at normal speeds, and four-wheel low for extreme off-roading at slow speeds. Alongside these, there are differentials, specifically a locking differential which provides continuous power to both drive axles, ensuring a firm grip. Often referred to as lockers, these devices allow the wheels to spin at different speeds, which is crucial when turning. Manual locking hubs and electronic locking hubs found on 4WD vehicles like Ford, Chevy, Dodge, and Toyota trucks serve different purposes and have their individual advantages. Choosing between these drive types comes down to personal preference and the specific needs of your driving lifestyle. It's imperative to delve into the statistics and comprehend what best suits your needs. Thank you for journeying with us through the intricate world of vehicle drives. As a token of appreciation, we have a gift for you. Visit the DIY Arch channel to receive your free digital car maintenance guide checklist and calendar. It's a handy tool to keep your vehicle in tip-top shape and your pockets full. Remember, safety is paramount on the road, so keep learning, keep exploring, and until next time, drive safe, friends.